Hey guys, Galaxy Note 10 is just a days far from us. In this video, we will be compiling all the leaked informations and images of the device. So guys, this time we will be getting two Galaxy Note 10. One is the regular Note 10 and other is its big brother Note 10 Plus. First, let's compare the specs of these two models. Galaxy Note 10 will be featuring 6.3-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080. Note 10 Plus will be featuring 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3040 x 1440. Both devices will be powered by Snapdragon 855 or Exynos 9825 chip with 8GB of RAM for the Note 10 and whopping 12GB of RAM for the Note 10 Plus. Both models will have 256GB of internal storage. There won't be any difference in the camera side. Both devices will be getting triple camera with 12 megapixel main, 16 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Front camera will be 10 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Note 10 will be powered by 3500 mAh battery and bigger Note 10 Plus will be powered by 4300 mAh battery. Pricing for the Note 10 will start from 949 euros for 256GB variant and Note 10 Plus will cost 1099 euros for 256GB variant and 1199 euros for 512GB variant. Pricing may slightly differ from country to country. It seems like there will be three color options for the Galaxy Note 10: black, white and blue, purple, green gradient. We have also seen the blue and red color cover for the Note 10, meaning that there will be blue and red color Note 10 as well, but Samsung might launch this color in specific markets. Samsung will be launching their flagship on August 7. So this is all for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Smartphones Explained so that you don't miss on this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.